Hello everyone. Today I'm excited to unveil an in-depth analysis using Power BI specifically crafted to provide valuable insight into upcoming IPL clash between Royal Challengers Bangalore and Chennai Super Kings. In this dashboard, the key insights include matches won by RCB using card to display matches won by CSK, which is 20. Number of matches won by RCB is 10 and no result is 1. Matches won against CSK by year. You can see in 2011 RCB won one match against CSK. In 2011, CSK won three matches against RCB. RCB wins against CSK by stadium using clustered bar chart. Here you can see in Bangalore, they won 4, in Chennai 1, Dubai 1, Durban 1, Johannesburg 1, Navi Mumbai 1, Ranchi 1. CSK wins against RCB by stadium. Here we can see CSK won 7 matches in Chennai, 5 matches in Bangalore, 2 matches in Mumbai, 2 matches in Pune, 1 match in Dubai, 1 match in Port Elizabeth, 1 match in Ranchi, and 1 match in Sharjah. And a table, the table to display date, winner, margin, and a venue. And a slicer to filter based on date. If I click on Sunday, you can see on Sunday, winner Chennai Super Kings by the margin of 8 wickets in venue Dubai when it comes to 2022. Wednesday, May 4, 2022, Chennai Super Kings winner Chennai Super Kings won by margin 13 runs in a venue Pune. And this is all about my dashboard. Thank you.